I think it really works to have the noodles in the soup really be the main attraction. And then I have the noodles here, which we make upstairs. This is actually 58% bread flour, which is a hard wheat. Yes.
And you're mixing it in with the local udon flour, which is traditionally very soft flour. And the whole idea of mixing the flours is to get the right texture with the noodle mixed with the consommé.
Right. And I also wanted a noodle that cooked very quickly. 34-second noodle. And then we have these hosaki memma.
Those look amazing.
Yeah, they taste like a bamboo shoot. And the egg, which I'll show you, which I really obsessed over. When I was a kid eating ramen in Tokyo, my favorite thing was putting that egg on your little renge and, you know, slurping some of the yolk.
So I think we're long lost brothers.
Yeah. That is my Hanjuku Tamago Shio ramen.
These noodles are really perfect for the broth because every bite's perfectly seasoned. It literally picks up flavors.
For me, I only have one real ramen rule here. The noodles have to slurp and the soup has to stick to the noodles. When you eat a bowl of ramen, it's really unsatisfying. I think it's when you get naked noodles in your mouth.
This is delicious. It almost tastes like I'm at the old 2nd Avenue Deli. But if they open up in Tokyo.
No naked noodles here, just a kick-ass bowl of ramen. New York City. Everything and everybody comes here. Now, a lot of times we turn right around and sell it back to the rest of the world. It's easy when you live here for a while to think you live in the center of the universe. You don't, of course. Not by a long shot. But looking around, it's a forgivable delusion. Fresh means, or implies, new. A fresh strawberry means you just bought it. You just picked it. It's not old. Fresh sushi means it is implied fish that is only very recently out of the water. But is that what you want? Fresh is a complicated concept when you're talking food.